Understanding in Earnest, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unlock the meaning and usage of a common English phrase, in earnest. This phrase may seem straightforward, but it's packed with nuance and history, and understanding it can really add depth to your English conversations. So, if you're ready to learn all about it, let's get started. The phrase, in earnest, means with a purposeful or sincere intent. When someone does something, in earnest, they are doing it with serious conviction or a strong and genuine desire. It's often used to describe when someone begins something with determination or intense effort. For example, if someone begins studying for an exam, in earnest, they're not just flipping through their notes casually. They're probably diving deep into their study material with a serious attitude. The term, in earnest, has been in use for centuries, originating from the Old English word, earnest, which means serious or serious-minded. Over time, it has come to signify the seriousness with which someone approaches a task or endeavor. Understanding where phrases like this come from can help us to grasp their full connotations and use them more effectively in our own speech and writing. Let's look at some examples to see how, in earnest, can be used in everyday sentences. 1. After months of casual research, the team began to investigate the phenomenon in earnest. 2. The players started the match lightly, but once the first goal was scored, they played in earnest. 3. She started her career as a volunteer, but now she is pursuing it in earnest as a professional. By using the phrase in various sentences like these, you can start to get a feel for its versatility and how it can be applied to different scenarios. Remembering phrases can sometimes be tricky, so here are a couple of tips. Associate the phrase, in earnest, with the idea of putting on your game face, or starting to do something with all your heart. Think of earnest as a measure of seriousness. When you're in earnest, you're full of earnestness. That's it for our exploration of the phrase, in earnest. We hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how and when to use this term. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using it like a native speaker. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Happy studying!